And I am stronger now. You had my heart, but not my mind. Drift away to a better place. Keep it fun.
Dead end. This game's time. Let's keep it going.
How long has this been there?
April. Come on, show her where the board is, Todd.
So who won that the other day?
The map is from Owen Sound.
That Bob guy wearing the Jays.
Well, there's that one team that we're in the spring, they just got the...
Yeah.
No?
They came second.
Is that right?
We got one.
They came second.
Yeah, one team went undefeated.
I don't think I played that.
They were both wearing like vests. Like coat vests.
We've never played inside before. We always play outside. Two. Thank you.
Six?
Come on, Todd.
I just double checked it. Where's 10 o'clock? It's what's in the stupid post. So I got
Yep.
I like barbecue. It's like,
All of them and whatnot.
So that is 4. I finally gave you a run for your money.
So you done? I have like a cutter, a stick cutter. Because I'm getting like more and more people are reaching out to me for stuff like that, and some of the people want like they want their logo perfect lettering. Yeah, I don't do perfect lettering. I do close. So
Pour it over for you.
do I throw them your way?
You can take it and then just get me like a PDF of their logo. Like if they
Can you do like if someone
You're just not catching any breaks.
on their window?
Two?
Can you do that? So it sticks out on the inside or the outside?
Yeah. In like colors, like solid colors.
Just like one color?
One or two colors.
Yeah. Okay. So I can throw people here. Okay, yeah, because I'm getting more and more because there was only one other sign painter that did it. So now everyone's coming to me, and I'm like, well, to be honest with you, I don't think I can do what you want me to do. Like, you know, if you're manualized, or like you don't want someone to hand paint manually.
What was that?
Stuff that's going to be scraped off the chain. They want it more permanent. So, yeah.
Six?
So I'll just,
6 points?
I can refer. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I just got rid of the big printer. Okay.
That's dropped in before, huh?
And you can still do this stuff.
Yeah, I can still do this, and I can do like the stencil.
Yeah, as far as I know, who knows?
So our friend,
He was happy.
Saj made his own boards.
Okay, right.
Yeah, those
And
are like
it might friend of ours in Michigan,
they know what they're getting.
he
Yeah.
does he makes a ton of boards.
But it's
Usually all sports teams.
or the material
I'm
itself.
trying to get him to make it set for fairly cheap,
It's
but
not going to wear, but
Look at that. That's whoop.
this won't wear. One for us then?
This will be interesting, but the other one that has ink on top of it, right? So the ink will, if you start rubbing it, it's going to will.
15,
I mean,
14.
even if it was white material,
Yeah.
it's gonna wear it, right? Like this is ink, right? This is red.
Yeah.
It's gonna wear it. But yeah, and they know. It's more of a novelty thing.
Oh, what you do, Devin?
But I do what I want.
That one's
Probably
going
want
in
to sooner than later. If you can do it, if you can make me the maple leaf outline, for the maple leaf boards. Okay, yeah. Let me know. I mean, I can hand paint the damn things, but I kind of like the stained look, and I like that. I kind of want what do you call it? Stencil. Yeah. You can make. Well, let me know what you want for one, but if I get 10,
Five?
right? I think I only use one. So
Yeah, the material will rip when you try to peel it off.
It's got to stick.
Yeah.
That's what you said?
But yeah, I'll get at least like 10 of those. Because I'm tired of it. Now you're
2014. No pressure, Todd.
I'll do the.
You want to do like the full flag?
Well, I may do a bunch.
2014.
Yeah, the full flag. Yeah. So it's as big as you can in the middle.
Yeah. I actually a flag. And the flag is those dimensions, right? So,
Well, I project on it.
Yeah.
Like I project tracing with a pencil and paint it. But you can't stain it that way, right? And I kind of want to stain it.
Yeah.
Maybe. I'm not, I don't have tons of orders for it, but I would
Pushing
like
that
that.
board
look.
back.
What I'm going to try to do is get the leaf going the other way. Just either cut it red, or whatever, color, get the leaf end up.
Dead end?